The work rate of Nick Hoover is incredible.
Let me see the radio. Let me see.
But Andre Lambe, by no means, is out of it.
Not at all, Mike.
Question is, what sort of condition is Nick Hoover really in? Did he use up too much gas in the first round?
I would say no, Mike, because we've seen the MAS, even though he's from Fifth Element Gym, it's affiliated strongly with MAS. We remember MAS for bringing down stellar fighters such as Ashley Nichols against Talia Iris a couple years ago. They bring in Martello Jones versus Goofy. Jamal Woolridge.
Well, it's round number 2 of the 7th and final boxing event for the night. Oh, Hoover gets in, and
Hoover's chasing him. Yeah. Hoover's chasing him now. Andre predicted this fight to be highly competitive, and I think exactly what he said is happening. This is a highly competitive fight.
Well, Lambe is on his bicycle. He's running and riding, but
he definitely rode his
bobbing
bicycle.
and weaving. But Hoover keeps coming.
Is chasing. Hoover won't allow him to resettle himself. Hoover is staying on the aggression and not letting Andre move and then come in like he wants to. He's actually got a good strategy for the southpaw fighter in Andre Lambe. They're slugging it out, Mike. They're slugging it out with Hoover again, taking it to Andre. Andre slips, tries to make a break for it. Hoover is right there. He won't allow him any space.
Round 2 coming to a close in this 7th boxing match of the night. Nick Hoover from Canada trying to pin down Andre Lambe from Rigo's gym. They're just in front of us.
Hoover only has one speed, it seems, Mike. He seems to have forward, no reverse, no backup, no steal. He's in the pocket, and he doesn't matter if he's getting hit or not, he's attacking. Andre is doing his best to hold on, but he's in the corner, and Hoover is clearly dominating right now. I think Hoover is going to take a knockout or a victory for sure, Mike. Andre, I think his gas is going. Hoover
How
looks like...
How long can he last?
Yes. Hoover doing a Muay Thai clinch. I don't think it's going to get too much... the crowd giving him a boo, but not understanding that this is natural for Hoover. When in close like that, Hoover wants to use the clinch, which is his Muay Thai techniques coming out. It's not that he's trying to be a bad sportsman, he's actually just using the techniques that he knows.
He's making the transition.
Absolutely. And that was a great match. Great round, Mike.
Great round for Hoover.